My name is Sebastian Resendez Perez. I'm a first year and I'm planning on studying political science and finance. So I've never ridden a bike before. My friends tried to teach me, but I kept falling, so they kind of gave up. So I'm hoping that I can learn how to actually ride a bike.
Hi, my name is Diego Medina Gutierrez. I'm a first-year student here at Stanford University, and I'm interested in studying public policy and economics, hopefully on the pre-law track. And I've really been wanting to learn how to ride a bike, and so I've been trying to learn during these past 5 weeks. I'm not the most experienced person. I have crashed a few times, but I'm excited to learn how to get better, learn how to ride my bike better.
Melissa Rijardo. I am new to Stanford Transportation. I'm really pumped to improve my skill set today and also to be able to ride with my little kid. He's a way better bicyclist than I am.
I think I learned in like 2 hours, and like now I think I can do everything.
Really liking the class. I think the most important thing that I've learned so far is learning how to use my hand signals. I think that's very important, and I'm excited to keep on practicing out on campus.